All right, so we're moving to 1.2. Forget. Okay, fun functions.
Yeah, I think we can set up the entire year.
Adding the calculus. I had to steal it from somebody else, not the original idea. Okay. Are you okay with function notation? It's just the name. It's like calling you Andrew. This is Andrew. So we call it F. And G. Okay. Mathematicians are fascinated with letters at this level for some reason. Composition of function, we're combining two functions, some way, somehow. Okay. So we're going to combine. So, and we can add. You want to add two functions?
Yeah.
We've already done it once today. We did it that one time last year. Yeah, combine like terms. Are there any x squareds? No. Okay. What about those two? Negative 2x plus 3x, and then we're gonna have, I'll say, right? So, Mr. Eraser. Design an addiction. You good there? Subtraction. I didn't write these in order here, did I? F is actually second and G's first, right?
Yeah.
That's okay with addition. Subtraction, they need to be written in order. So 3x plus 5 minus x squared. That's because the subtraction has to distribute.
Is that a one by the F or is that just the first?
Here,
Or the first word?
this,
Yeah.
that's an F. Okay, so again, like terms, what do we have here?
Negative x.
Yeah, it's negative x squared. Okay, careful there, because that negative has to pop in. Biggest mistake I see, biggest mistake every year, doesn't fail. Then we do 3x minus negative 2x. Yeah. And 5 minus 8. Plus 2. We're at minus 2. Again, be careful with that minus, because it does the shit. Right. You can multiply and divide these as well. It's going to get kind of nasty. Just not do it today. Oh. You know, you remember how to FOIL, right? We went over that 10 minutes ago, right? This is just a monster FOIL problem. The acronym FOIL doesn't work. Okay. My suggestion, multiply the first times everyone, and then take the second one and multiply it by everyone. Just term by term. That's what you're doing when you FOIL. You just don't know it. Okay, so 3x times x squared. Thank you, I would have messed that up. 3x times negative 2x. And then 3x times 8. Okay. Am I going too fast?
A little bit.
Except for Sophie, I'll let you write that down. You should have.
I know this.
Yeah.
I know.
The whole first chapter should, like I told you, it should be. Now, if it's not, that's when I need to know so we can fix it.
Let's go back to that. Let's go back to
I
that.
think I need another round there before.
Okay, 5 times x squared, and then 5 times negative 2x, right? Thank you. And then
40.
and then combine like terms.
X squared. Plus 15x.
So that's multiply. Tedious, yes, I know they're tedious. Go ahead. And I'll answer yours.
For the multiplication one, you have the 3x cubed and minus 6x squared. Where's 5x squared?
Oh,
we're combining
quadratic.
Oh, I see
This
it.
is in red.
I was like, what?
These two go together.
That was my question. That's why I was trying to stand up there.
Plus, yeah, plus. Notice I didn't put an equal sign here, but there is a plus that continues it. That's proper mathematical notation. Okay. Now division, right now division is actually easy for you guys. Because we don't have to simplify yet.
Yeah.
We haven't touched synthetic division or any of that stuff. So
Then that's just your answer right there in the red.
this,
Yeah, that's it. Answer, yeah.
be the same.
Yeah.
So there you're done. The division we haven't dealt with yet, so I'm not gonna expect you to simplify that. That one I don't think you can simplify, if I look at it. Okay? Any questions? You good? So this is where I keep all the objectives and assignments if you ever want to look before class starts. I don't take the time to write it out because it takes just another half an hour. So I just print it. Left and right. Add and subtract on the left. Multiply by on the right. Is that what you're asking? Okay, I'm gonna give you your work. It's not gonna be due tomorrow. We'll probably, we'll look at these types of problems, score you, but we still have more to do. We only have 3 minutes, so. Normally, I try to give you like 15 minutes of work time at least. We're 13 minutes short of class, so what would that be? We're right on track, so. Bye.
When is this due?
What lady said on holiday?
Okay, well, school's on.
1, 2, 7, 8, 10, 13. Arthur, so multiplication will just be out of question. The only ones that are, so this, do these, add, subtract, multiply, divide. The ones you won't, if you see this, or this, those are the two we didn't touch today. They're the same thing. Composition, f of g of x. Those I'm not gonna ask you to have done. Okay, but add, subtract, multiply, divide. Don't confuse the circle for multiplication. That's a hollow, that's a solid.
What's the last one, 34?
39. 21. We'll get into our routine, things will get a little bit more normal. Homework answers will usually take about half that time. Here you go. Again, I'm available if you need help, just come by. Oh. So, Richardson of
No, I thought it left to right.
Right.
I just got so confused. High school.
Oh, crap, I just put that in my bag.
I'll try it now. Okay. Leave your work on your desk, please. I'll try and
I get it. No, I don't get it.